Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. As we all know that revisions are going on. So today in this period we will revise tenses. Alright. Tenses are verb forms which indicate the time of an action. And there are three main tenses: the present tense, the past tense and the future tense. Alright. Just have a look on this. Present tense expresses actions in the present time. Past time expresses actions in the past time, and future tense expresses action which are likely to occur in future. You can see the example of present tense: I live in USA. Past tense: I lived in USA. And future tense: I will live in USA. Let's start with the first one, that is simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense. Have a look on this chart. As you can see in this picture, that simple present tense is used to express the habitual action, custom, routine or habit. It also expresses general truth or a fact that is true at the time of speaking. Just to frame a sentence in simple present tense, what we have to do, we have to write the subject and then first form of the verb, and then we add s or es. Okay, have a look on this example. His wife sets the table. Now we use sets, means this is the singular verb. His wife is singular subject, that's why we have to use singular verb. That's why we add s to the verb. Okay, and if you want to make the sentence negative, then what you have to do, you have to use do not or does not. With singular we use does not, and with plural we use do not, and then first form of the verb. Guys, when we use do not or does not, then we do not add s or es to the verb. Now to make the sentence interrogative or question in simple present tense, we have to write do or does before the subject, and after that we use first form of the verb. Have a look on these examples. The second last one, does she have black hair? Now she is the singular subject, that's why we have used here does. All right. See the negative, she doesn't feel so good. She is the singular subject, that's why we use here does not, and after using does not we use the first form of the verb feel. Okay, now move on the next one, that is simple past tense. Guys, you all know that where we use simple past tense. Do you know this thing or not? Okay, just see. Simple past tense expresses a past habit or regular action in the past. It also expresses an action that began and ended in the past. Just to frame a sentence in simple past tense, what you have to do, you have to only write the subject and then second form of the verb. Okay, and if you want to make the sentence negative, then you have to use did not, and after using did not, use first form of the verb. And just to make the sentence interrogative or a question, you have to use did before the subject, and after that you have to use base form, means first form of the verb. Have a look on the examples. He drew the old man out of the ditch. Drew is the second form of the verb. Okay. She used to wash clothes daily. That is the past habit, example of the past habit. Now see the interrogative sentence. Did he write a letter? Now when we use did, then we use the first form, right? We have not written over here wrote. Okay. So now move on the next. Simple future tense. Okay, very first you have to know that where we use this tense. Simple future tense is used to indicate an action that is yet to take place. Okay, and just to frame a sentence in simple future tense, what we have to do, we have to use subject, then will or shall, then first form of the verb. With singular subject we use will, and with plural we use shall. Just make the sentence negative, we use subject and then will or shall and then not, and then first form of the verb. And to make the sentence interrogative, we put will or shall before the subject, and after that we use first form of the verb. Have a look on these examples. You will win the exam. Okay. I will see you later. She will help him tomorrow. Guys, see the interrogative sentence example. Will you wait for me? Will she do it again? Okay. Have a look on the negative example. I will not, or we can say won't. I will not stay this hotel. So guys, these are the tenses: simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. Just do the exercises which I have shared with you. Okay, and try to do the practice, just to learn, just to do the more practice, just to revise the rules. You have to do the practice of exercises.